Alright, continuing progress. I know I got the win today, but I decided to go with wide edger configuration, so when that blade gets back from hammering, it'll go back on. And I've never seized all the bolts. I've got the extensions back in, kind of loose. This can't be swung over and bolted in place until the main blade's there. And this I have to set once I have the edger blade back, and set it to the blade in the log so that it's in the middle of the blade. All the belts, hopefully you can see in there, all the belts are installed, all the rollers are in there. It's kind of hard to show that, but you can see the belt does that 90-degree turn in there. Yeah. See if I come around here. This, show this is a little different from our mill. It's the track. It's about 1.5 feet wide instead of a foot wide. So one difference between our mill and this mill. And then this is a dual port. Oh yeah, and I got the I was talking about the lower stabilizer. That's the lower stabilizer. And then you can hopefully be able to see, I can't see in the picture, but the two bearings on the back side. And anyway, it's coming together. Yeah, this shows, that's the all-important belt up there going to the governor. Because it's a gasoline engine, it has to have a belt-driven governor for it to function. But I think I'm about, well, there's a little bit more I can do, but not much. So anyway, I'll make a video separate for that thing. So, where is it? I don't know where it is. Oh yeah, it's in there. I'll go get that. So hopefully this is show a few angles, because when I replace these belts, the engine shifts that way. So you set the belts to the main belts from the engine to the main shaft that holds the main blade, the big 30-inch blade. And then once that proper belt is aligned, then you can set this belt, which is the drive from the engine to the hydrostatic pump. And then once that belt's set, then you have these bolts down here. You can see there's a tensioner there. You can kind of see the line, and I had to slide it back because since the engine went back with the new belts, because over time the belts get old and you stretch and you tighten the belts and whatnot over time. Now it had to go all the way back for brand new belts. And then of course once main belts are set, then you can set the edger belts that do that crazy 90-degree turn and go up here to the edger shaft, because obviously you can see that edger shaft is vertical versus the drive of the engine is horizontal. That's one of the perks of the electric mill, is you don't have to twist, you don't have to deal with the twisted belts. So anyway, that's my little progress report. So until next time.